घर बैठे अब आप भी बन सकते हैं रिपोर्टर। क्या आपके घर के आसपास राजनीति माहौल है या फिर कोई प्रदर्शन कर रहा है या आप खुद कोई लड़ाई लड़ने के सपने देख रहे हैं? अगर आप एंड्रॉयड या स्मार्टफोन यूज़ करते हैं तो अपने इलाके की खबर हम तक पहुंचाएं 9002135555 पे और बन जाए News24 इंडिया के रिपोर्टर। After Congress, now CPI moves to Supreme Court against farm law. Since the very first day, Congress party does not seem happy with the farm laws passed by the government. Now CPI MP Binay Vishram filed a written petition in the Supreme Court challenging the constitutional validity of newly enacted agriculture laws, urging to the apex court that to strike down the farm laws. Vishram in his petition alleged that the farm legislation violated India's federal structure. MP has claimed that the passage of 2 of 3 farm bills by voice vote in the Rajya Sabha deprived the upper house MPs to properly deliberate and vote on the status prior to the passing them. Vishram has also claimed that manner by which the farm legislation were passed in the upper house violated Article 100 and Article 107 of the Constitution, depriving the Rajya Sabha to properly consider the bills. It seems that the wind of BJP government is still going on for many years. Southern movie stars Khushbu Sundar changed side and joined the Bharatiya Janata Party in New Delhi and even suggested if the nation has to move forward, it needs the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Ahead of Tamil Nadu Assembly elections scheduled next year, Khushbu move is being seen as BJP attempt at ramping up its organization in the southern state, where it has a very weak presence. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee urges people to follow COVID-19 safety protocols during Durga Puja as community transformation of COVID-19 has started in the state. There are instances of COVID-19 becoming airborne and community transformation of contagion has started in the state and urged people to strictly adhere to the regulation during the coming festive season. Mamata Banerjee also advised people to wear thick masks when they visit Durga Puja pandals in the state. The Ministry of External Affairs informed that the 7 Indian nationals who had been abducted at Ashwarif in Libya on September 14 were finally released yesterday. The Indian nationals hailing from Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh were kidnapped when they were on their way to Tripoli airport to catch a flight to India. Following the kidnapping, the Indian embassy in Tunisia reached out to the Libyan government authority as also the international organization present there seeking help in rescuing the Indian nationals. Congresswoman worker Tara Yadav objected to the nomination of the candidate of rape accused in UP by polls. While protesting against the nomination, Tara Yadav was allegedly thrashed at the party internal meeting in Deora, Uttar Pradesh. She further alleged that she was beaten up after she told party secretary Sachin Nayak that he has given the ticket to the wrong man Mukund Bhaskar Mani, who is a rapist, which will ruin the image of the grand old party in the society. Tara also said that one side the party is fighting and seeking justice for the Hathras rape victim and on the other side the party is giving ticket to the rapist. Meanwhile, the National Commission for Women Chairman Rekha Sharma said that she will taking consequence of the issue.
In the morning, I saw a video which was tagged to me by somebody where a party worker was beaten up in a political meeting and she was alone. There were 26 people around and they all were beating her. I immediately took cognizance. We are sending a letter to DGP UP. This is a serious matter where when we are saying that women should come in politics and political people behave like gundas with a woman in a political meeting, I think it's time that they should be punished and should be taken to task.
During the ongoing match between Mumbai Indians versus Delhi Capitals, Krunal Pandya lost his cool on his brother Hardik Pandya. This incident took place when Krunal was bowling and Hardik, sensing an opportunity to run out Delhi Capital batsman Shreyas Iyer, threw the ball hard from the close range and it was not the best of throws. Kunal could not stop the ball and with no one backing up, it's allowed the batsman to take an extra run. Afterward, Hardik was seen giving an explanation from his end that the fielder was there to cover and shouldn't be swift in coming and avoid the overthrow.